Hello students, I am Snehal Fargos, your maths teacher for standard 5th from Adarsh Education Society. Today we are going to learn our first chapter number 1, Roman numerals. Students, tell me, what are they? Right, they are numbers. Do you ever wonder who made them? Where did they come from? Well, I could tell you that. The number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 were invented by Hindu mathematicians. These numbers were later adopted by the Arabs. Later, the Arabs introduced these numerals to the West. These numerals, which are now used worldwide, are hence referred to as Hindu-Arabic numbers. In Hindu-Arabic numbers, we use digits from 0 to 9 to write the numbers. But students, before adopting the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, people used the Roman number to write the numbers. And today we will learn that the Roman numbers. Look at the clock over here. You can see that the numbers are written in slightly different manner. This clock doesn't have numbers. It has some symbol instead. These are Roman numerals. In Europe, in old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. Now, first of all, we will discuss 7 symbols or letters that are used to write Roman numerals. The Romans used the letter I, V, X, L, C, D, M to write numbers. The combination of these 7 letters constitute the Roman numerals. In Roman numerals, the I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L equals to 50, C equals to 100, D equals to 500, M equals to 1000. Well, in this method, there was no symbol for 0 as it wasn't invented that time. Many years later, an Indian mathematicians introduced 0 to the number system. Now, students, there are certain rules for writing numbers using Roman numerals. Let us see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules. Rule number 1. When a symbol is used more than once, we add its value the number of times it is repeated to get the number. It means if the symbol is repeated, the value is added as many times as it occurs. For example, I equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. X equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Rule number 2 is symbol I, X, C and M cannot be repeated more than 3 times continuously in Roman numerals. For example, 5 cannot be written as I. We cannot repeat a number more than 3 times. For example, 15 cannot be written as V. Then how will you write 15? For that, we have to see the rule number 3. The rule number 3 is when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of symbol of greater value, the smaller value is added to the greater value. It means, for example, XV. Here X is 10 and V is 5. The smaller number 5 is to the right of the greater number 10. Hence, it should be added to the greater number. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Hence, 15 is written as XV. The rule number 4 is When a symbol of lesser value is present to the left of symbol of greater value, then the smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. For example, in Ix, I equals 1, which is smaller than x, equals 10, is to the left of x. Hence, I should be subtracted from x. 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Hence, Ix is equals to 9, or 9 is written as Ix. Now we will see how to write 1 to 20 using these rules. For 1, we will use the symbol I. For 2, we will repeat the symbol I for 2 times. That I equals to 1 plus 1, 2. For 3, we will repeat the symbol I for 3 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. For 4, according to rule number 2, we cannot repeat the symbol I more than 3 times. So we will use the symbol V for writing 5, and we can use it for writing 4 as by subtracting 1 from 5 using the rule number 4. For 5, we can use symbol V. Now for 6, we can add it to the right by writing 5 plus 1 by using rule number 3. For writing 7, we add 2 times I to the 5. That is 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 7. For 8, we will add I 3 times to the V. For 9, we will again subtract 1 from x. That is 10 minus 1 equals to 9. For writing 10, we will use x. Now we will see how to write 11 to 20. For writing 11, we can add it to the right by writing 10 plus 1 by using rule number 3. That is xi equals to 10 plus 1, 11. For 12, we will use xii equals to 10 plus 1 plus 1, 12. For 13, we can write 13 by adding 10 plus 3. For 14, we will use xiv, that is 10 plus 4 equals to 14. For 15, we will use xv, that is 10 plus 5 equals to 15. For 16, we will use XVI, that is 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals to 16. For 17, we will use XVII, that is 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 17. For 18, we will use XVIII, that is 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 18. For 19, we will use XIX, that is 10 plus 9 equals to 90. And for 20, we will use XX, 10 plus 10, 20.